Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to create a simple e-commerce website that can enable you to sell your products and services, alright, just like the one you're about to see now. So this is my very simple website that I built some time ago that I use in selling my products and services online. Okay, so most of these things you're seeing here are digital products, they are not physical products. So I'm going to show you how to set up a very simple website like this. And if you click on any of the book here, or you simply add to cart, okay, you can see this product here. If I add this product to cart, I can pay online. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up something very simple like this. You can see here, so I've added this product to cart. I'm going to view my cart, and you can see here, so I can proceed to checkout, and pay online. So you can see payment gateways that are here. I have Paystack integrated here. You can see now, I can put in my details, everything, and I just go on and place my order online. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video quickly. So if you've not watched my video on how to create a free website, you can see the video here. This particular video is going to show you how to create a free website, no hosting, no domain, everything is actually free. So if you're a beginner and you want to practice this particular video you're watching now, then you should come here and watch this video on how to create a free site that you can use to practice all I'm going to show you in this video. All right, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video to someone who out there who really wants to learn, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So without much ado, without any further ado, let's get to business. Okay, so I'm going to head back to my dashboard. So your dashboard is where you're going to be doing all of those editing, whatever it is you want to see on your site. It is from your dashboard that you can actually do all of that. So this is the main site. This is how the main site is. You can see how it's not really looking beautiful at all, right? So let's head over back to our dashboard. The first thing we want to do is to come to appearance, and we're going to install a theme that is called Astra. So come to appearance and click on themes. Okay, so you see Astra here, so I'm going to activate Astra. This is Astra. I'm activating the Astra theme now. So one thing you need to understand is that a theme helps to determine the structure of your website. Okay, we have themes for church, we have themes for blogs, we have themes for schools, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I just activated this theme now. So if we come to our site and refresh, you're going to see that the site is going to be looking different, right? So this is how it is. So the next thing we want to do is to come back here. Let's look at this main site. Let's look at this site we have here. Okay, you can see here now. So this plugin or this theme that we're using now, sorry to say, this theme we're using now has a lot of features that you can work with. It has templates that you can work with. Okay, so let's head back, and the first thing I want to do is I want to show you how to create these menus you're seeing here. So menus are defined links to your website that helps people to navigate around your website. They are usually at the top of your site, so we call them menus. So all the links you see at the top of any site are called the menus. Okay, it helps you to navigate around that site easily, certain pages of that site easily. So if you visit a school website, you get to see pages like about us, principal, staff, admission, register here, and all of that. You get. So I'm going to show you how to do that ASAP. So come back to your dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is to come to pages, all pages, add new, because right now we don't have any pages on the site. So I'm going to come here. So in this page, we're going to create a page like courses and contact us, just as we have on that my site. So here is going to be courses, publish, and then come back here again. I'm going to add new, and this one is going to be contact us. So this is going to be contact us, publish it again. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is, if you come to the main site and refresh, okay, so you notice that nothing is showing here. So come back here to appearance, click on menus. So I'm showing you how to create a menu right now. So click on menu, and you see this particular menu. This is a menu that we have created before. So I'm just going to click on menus, create a new menu here. So I'm going to click on create a new menu. So I'm going to add a name and say navigation. Okay, so I want this one to be the primary menu. I click on create, and you see that these things are going to be active immediately. So you can see now. So I select here, click here, and add to menu. Okay, so you can see them here now. So I'm going to rearrange them. I want the courses to come first. So come to courses, and then contact us will follow. So I click on save. Okay, so it's been saved. Come to the site and refresh. So you can see them here now, courses and contact us. Now come back to your menu, and you're going to come back to appearance. You see Astra options. So click on Astra options. This will enable you to install the install importer plugin for Astra. So you click on install some templates, I mean to say, using Astra, that will enable you to make your site look amazing. Okay, so I say build your website now. So you need to select a page builder. So a page builder is what enables you to really build each pages of your website, like your home page, your contact us page. If you want to really build it to look amazing, you need a page builder to do that. So right here I'm going to select Elementor. Okay, so under Elementor you get to see various templates that you can work with. Can you see? So this Astra team has free plans and premium templates that you can work with. Okay, so the ones that are showing premium simply means you have to pay for them, and the ones that are showing you free, nothing on them, it means you can use them. All right, so here let's just look for something that we would love to use, and let's select this. So you come here, you scroll down, I can say skip and continue. I can continue. So here I'm going to put my name, my working email. I am an expert, myself, my company. I have agreed. Now I do not want it to import the content. Okay, now import widgets. Okay, import customizer setting, but I don't want it to import the content. So I click on submit and build my site. So you just hold on, you're going to see once it's done you are good to go. Okay, this is 90% and this is 100%. Okay, so let's come to our site now and refresh. Let's see. So can you see how the site actually looks like now? You can see how it looks like. You see our checkout, you see our contact us, you see our courses. So come back here to our site. So right here in our dashboard, we're going to head over back. You can see now that some of these features has increased, like Elementor, templates, WP forms. They have all been added because of that particular themes that we just installed, because it comes directly with that theme. Okay, so we're going to head over to appearance, go to menus, and we want to adjust this menu. We don't want some of these things to be showing here, like the checkout. We don't want them to be showing there. So come here. Okay, so this navigation is what is going to be our primary menu. So you see here, I'm going to save it. so it's been saved. So come here, there are some menus that we don't want to be showing here. So if I come here and refresh, you will see that checkout is not going to be there. So you see now, so it's no longer there. So you see your cart, you see your account, and you see your site name. So let's head over back to come to appearance, come to customize, so we can change the title of that website. Okay, so what we need to do is to go to appearance and click on customize. So right click and click on, hold your control and click on customize, so that it will open a new tab for us, so we can still have access to that customize and still have access to our dashboard to do both work. Okay, so our customize is loading, you can see it here. So under our customize, there are a lot of things that you can actually do here under your customize dashboard. So when you get here, you're going to look for header. Can you see it here? This is our header and we want to edit it. So come to header builder, you see site title and logo, you can see it here now. So I don't want it to show this ones you're seeing here. I don't want it to be showing, so I can just remove this and put my own name. Okay, how is that possible? I'm just going to remove it. So display site title, so you see tech practice now, so I'm just going to put it in capital letter. So this is tech practice and I want it to be visible. So the next thing I want to do is to publish it. So it's been published. I come here and I refresh. So can you see it now? So you see our tech practice is available here. So the next thing we want to do is to come back, and the next thing we want to do is to come over to plugins. Let's see if we have WooCommerce installed here. Okay, so currently I think there's no WooCommerce here, so we will not be able to set where is going to be our shop page and other pages, most especially the shop page. So what we'll do is to come to plugins and click on add new. So this plugin we're going to add is WooCommerce. So WooCommerce enable you to sell your products and your services online. So I come here and search for WooCommerce and see if it is installed or not. So you can see WooCommerce here now, so I'm going to install it. I'm installing it now. So it has finished installing. So WooCommerce is a plugin, and plugins helps you to add more functions to your website. So any function you want to be seen on your website, what you need is the right plugin to activate that feature on your site. So what I'm going to do now is to activate this plugin I just installed. So it's activating. So once it's finished activating, it's going to tell you to set up your wizard, which is your account on WooCommerce, like your shop address, the things you're going to be selling. Okay, you can see here now. So let's say my address is going to be 71 Federal Poly. So my location is in Nigeria, where I am, Imo State, Owerri, and click on continue. Okay, so what are we actually into? So you see various tips, fashion and the rest of them. So I'm just going to select all, click on continue. Now what are you going to be selling? Is it physical products or downloadable products? So the only two features that are free on WooCommerce are physical products and download products. So for someone like me who is into digital products, I even work more with download. So but I'm going to select both of them so that I can work with them, and click on continue. Okay, so how many products do you have for sale? Let's say I have up to 100, 1000 plus. Are you currently selling elsewhere? No. I am setting up a store for a client. No. Click on continue. And so these recommended business features, I don't want that, to save us time, please. So just click on continue. Okay, so we already have this theme here, so I say continue with my active theme. Okay, so right here now we are here on our dashboard back. Okay, so we have WooCommerce installed on our site already. So now let's see where we're going to set up our store. We're going to set up our store by setting up the page that we want to be our store page. So I'm going to come here to settings. So come to products. So where do we want to be our shop page? So come here, and I want my shop page to be my courses. So see courses, that's where I want to be my shop page. So you can see now I already set that, and I click on save. So everything is still intact. So right now I want our course page to be the front page. So there's a difference between a home page and a post page. So your home page is where people get to see immediately they type your website URL. That is your home page. So I want to set it in such a way that this my site you're seeing here, anytime you type this site URL, it will bring you to my store page. That is what I want to set up now. So I come here to, or head over to customize here, and then I'm going to click on home page settings. So I want to select my home page to be my courses. You can see here I want to be my courses, and I'm going to click on publish. So right now we don't have any products on our store, so it's been published. So come back to our WooCommerce. Now this is the main part that is so interesting. How do you now create your products? How do you list your products on your store? Let's come back here and refresh and see how the home page looks like. So you can see now we don't have any products here for sale, and it seems we still need to edit this widget you're seeing here. So come back to customize. So footer builder. Okay, so you can see it here now. This is the footer builder. So here I can, let me see if there's option hide on desktop. Okay, good. So it's not going to be visible to anyone. So I publish and come here to the site and refresh. You see that this thing is not going to be available again. So now let me show you what I have to show you. How do we now set up our store to add products and all of that? So here's what you're going to do. Come to WooCommerce and you click on products. You see all products. Let's see if we have any products here. So currently I believe we don't have any products here, so no products here at all. So we'll start to create products. Add new. So add new products. So here you are advised to have the image, the product image that you want to upload on your store. So the name of the product should be how to set up a website. Okay, so this is the title of the store, how to set up a website. This is the title of the product, I mean to say. Now add a description of what your website or this particular product is going to be all about. Okay, so I come here and just say, so I would advise you when you're setting up your store and the description, the product description, make sure it's something that is captivating, that will really make people want to buy. Even you yourself, as you put yourself as a customer, if you see such a description, will you be compelled to buy that product? So make sure your description is actually attractive enough to make people want to buy what you sell. So when you're done with that, scroll back, you put the actual price. The regular price is 5,000. Just type 5,000 straight, but we're giving it to you for the rate of 3,500. Now this product is a virtual product, so we don't need to be inputting some details like, if you come back, like shipping and all of that. So it's a virtual product and it's also downloadable. If you want to be downloadable, you just click here, or just a virtual product. So you see it's a simple product and all of that. So next thing you want to do is to come to inventory, SKU management and all of that. We don't really need that because it's a virtual product. So you see linked products, upsell and cross sell. This is when you're trying to tell your customer that instead of buying this, why not buy this? Or why, because you're buying this, why not add this to this? That is what upsell and cross sell is actually all about. Okay, so when you're done with that, you're going to come to the right hand side, and add a category. If you don't add a category, it's going to be attached to a default category. Okay, so that's why I advise you to always add categories. So I'm going to say, and then add new. So I'm going to attach it to online courses. So scroll down, and product tag will say online class, website development. Okay, so come down and you see product image. So set product image. So the product image is the image of that product that you're selling. So if it's an online class, you might have designed your flyer or anything you want to add. So let's say this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to click set product image. Now if you still want to add more image, that's when you now add product gallery image. So if you're done with everything like that, just come here and click on publish. So you've done everything correctly, your product should be published. So let's head over to our site and refresh. So can you see now? So this is our first product that we've actually done. So I'm just going to add more products. Okay guys, so from what you can see here now, I've added 4 products on this store. You can see them now with their various product images, their prices, and all of that. Let's say I want to add this product to cart. So view my cart, and you can see here now, so I can proceed to checkout, fill in my details, say sorry, it seems there are no available payment method for your state. Please contact us if you require assistance or wish to make alternate arrangements. So right now we have not set up our payment options on WooCommerce, which I'm also going to show you before this video ends. So when you fill in your details for shipping to Nigeria, okay, fill your details correctly, and then you can then place your order. So let's head back to our WooCommerce, come to settings, WooCommerce settings. So you come to shipping. Okay, so this shipping is usually used by people who are into physical products, people who sell physical products like bags, shoes, clothes, kitchen utensils, and the rest of them, which I'm going to make a video on how you can set up your own shipping for that. For the course of this video, we are not talking about shipping because we are into virtual products. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to set up your payment account. So come to payments. So the payment options we have, if you're based here in Nigeria, you can use Flutterwave, Paystack, and then bank transfer, direct bank transfer. So you see direct bank transfer, you click here. How does it work? When you select here, you click on setup and you add your bank details. So your customers get to see the option for bank transfer. Say make your payment directly into our bank account. Please use your order ID as payment reference. I think there's option here to add account. So account name is account number. So I click save changes. So our changes has been saved. So if you come here now, refresh, you're going to see option for direct bank transfer. Can you see now? So say make your payment directly into our bank account and all of that. So let's just assume that we'll fill these details correctly. I'm just going to type anything I see here. We'll fill these details correctly. Nigeria, home address, apartment, town. I just want to make this very, very fast. And you see here, I'm going to click on place order. Okay, billing phone number is invalid. Okay, so just add a good phone number then. So this is my phone number. I click on place order again. Okay, so can you see now? So thank you, your order has been received. These are order number, these are the date, email, direct bank transfer, and you can see here, see all our details, and then you see your bank and account number. Everything is here that your customers can transfer money to. So this is option for bank transfer. But then I want a situation where my customers can pay online, just as we have on this website. You can pay online here. So we're going to be using platforms like Paystack. So you need to install some plugins. So we're going to add plugins like Paystack. So come here to appearance. You see plugins under appearance and click on add new. So when you add new, you're going to search for Paystack. Search for Paystack. Okay, so look for Paystack. You see some of their plugins which are not actually yet updated. Okay, this is payment forgive. Okay, I think this is the one we want. So you install this one. So activate. So once you activate, you're going to come back here to WooCommerce and click on settings. Go back to settings and go to your payment method. Then you see Paystack. So turn it on. Okay, so once you turn Paystack payment option on, it's going to bring you here. So we're going to say enable Paystack, and what we have here is the test mode. So I don't want test mode, I want it to be the live mode, and the payment option is pop-up or redirect. So I can just say it should pop up. And then we have our live secret key and public secret key. Now these keys are what will make your Paystack to be effective for people to pay, and then it will reflect in your account balance or in your Paystack dashboard. So you want to ask me, how do you get these Paystack secret keys and public keys? You only get them when you create an account with Paystack. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into my Paystack account. Note, it's not difficult to create a Paystack account. It's not difficult. All you need is your email, a working phone number, your bank details, your proof of identity, and then a proof of address, which could be either NEPA bill or rent fee, and your account can be verified within 5 minutes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into my Paystack account, and I will show you where you can get your secret keys and public keys from when you get to this stage. Okay, so let me just log in ASAP. Okay, so this is my Paystack account. I just logged in now, and to get that secret and public keys, I'm just going to click on these settings you're seeing underneath here. So click on settings and you come to API keys and webhook. Okay, so you see my secret keys and public keys. I'm just going to copy them They just want to make sure that it's actually you who is trying to copy this. So I just click on copy, and I'll head over to our site and click on secret keys, paste it there. I come here to public keys and I'm going to paste it there. So once you've done that, you're going to click on save changes. So once you can see your settings have all been saved, and if you come back to our checkout now, if I head back, so our cart is actually empty, so return back to shop. I just want to show you what it means to be able to access payment online. Okay, so I'm going to add this to cart right away. So view my cart, proceed to checkout, and you can see now. So right now we have payments, online payments to work with. So let's just try something out. I'm going to say place order. Paystack is going to pop up for us to make payments online. So this is how you set up a simple e-commerce website that enables you to sell your products and services online. So if you watch this video to this stage and you got value, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video. And if you have any question, you have any place where you feel you're stuck or you have difficulties in setting up, you can always leave a comment in the comment section and I will give you reply as soon as I get your message. All right, okay, so see you next time in my next video.